We're taking off under the cloak of darkness. Miss Bliss has an appointment with General RV in Ashland, Virginia. So we're on our way there. What's happening, Captain?
You got it, Captain.
All right, we're still on the road.
Got some daylight.
It's daybreak. We have to travel about, what, 120 miles to get to Virginia General RV. Miss Bliss is rolling right along. First time we've been at Cracker Barrel in Bliss. There we go, parked again. There's the captain.
This is Bliss. We're in Ashland, Virginia at the Cracker Barrel, heading to General RV to get a solar panel put on our RV. Looking forward to it. We got here early, so we're gonna drop our baby off. She'll probably be going for about a week or two, and we're gonna take the train back. Looking forward to the choo-choo. Woo-hoo!
So we're officially RVers because we're eating at the Cracker Barrel. Got the RV parked out in the parking lot. This is our first time. Maybe this is silly, but it's fun to us. You couldn't wait, huh? You couldn't wait to do your little trick. Oh, God. Hey, y'all. So the captain and I are big time country fans, and we love listening to Sirius XM, The Highway. And so it's just real fun listening to the lyrics and learning what they are, and the captain and I sing them back and forth to each other. So we're probably gonna learn a duet at some point and sing it, and that'll be a lot of fun, for us anyway. Yeah, I think I ran out of moves actually. Because I don't think I can jump that way. Can you jump backwards? So we got to get a little something for the kids while we're here. They're having an Easter egg hunt tomorrow. So there's some goodies here. And 40% off. So we've had our breakfast. I had my grits. And now we're on with the journey. So we got the kids some Easter treats. Wow, big selection here. What are these?
Gummies.
These are gummies. Okay. Can't go wrong at the Cracker Barrel. Yeah?
We don't have any gas in the car.
That's what happened the last time we were here. All right, y'all, we made it. Look, General RV, Ashland, Virginia. We're here. Last time we were here, you gotta watch that video. We were like, phew, what have we done? But we did it. And we're back here today just for a little servicing. We're back. Well, it's a pleasant experience so far. Here comes Bliss for servicing. We're pulling into the service bay. Look at the captain. The captain's getting out. Gotta leave his baby here today. I know he's not happy about that. Look at it. So we're gonna get a solar panel put on. That was missing when we picked up Bliss, and it's gonna take them about 2 weeks. Bye, Bliss. It's cold out here. We're at the train station. The stuff we do for Bliss. So our Uber driver deliberately put on 80s music for us. I don't know. He's trying to tell us
just a baby in the 80s, right?
Oh, that's right. I was just a baby in the 80s.
And if you believe that, I got a bridge for you to buy. Action.
So we're big time.
Waiting on hot tea.
Hot tea?
Yes.
That's okay. That's all right.
Take two.
Action.
Action. Take two.